Matapos ibasura ng 14th Congress ang Freedom of Information Bill, tiniyak ngayon ng presidential race frontrunner Noynoy Aquino na pag-upo niya bilang Pangulo, tututukan niyang agarang pagpasa sa naturang panukala.
He campaigned on a platform of transparency and honesty, and if only for that reason, President-elect Benigno Aquino III says he is throwing support behind the long-delayed Freedom of Information Act.
We really want to promote transparency. No? And transparency hopefully will bring support in current.
Nangako ngayon si presidential race frontrunner Senator Noynoy Aquino na ito ang una niyang tututukan sa sandaling maupo na sa Malacanang. Magiging priority po yan ang administrasyon niya.
Yes, iba pa rin yung by force of law, no? So that would be, I think, the more complete route. Pero kailangan pag-aralan ako pwede doon sa suggestion executive order.
Aquino said if this Congress fails to ratify the bill, the Liberal Party could spearhead its approval under the 15th Congress.
We will discuss within the party, and perhaps the party can spearhead it. One of the principal authors in the House is Erin Tañade. I'm sure he'll refile it. And dito si Kiko, I imagine, will also be a firm advocate of it.
Una nang kinastigo ng Catholic Bishops Conference of the Philippines ang Kongreso sa hindi pagpasa sa FOI bill. Isa ang CBCP sa mga susuporta para matuloy na ang pagpasa sa FOI bill sa 15th Congress.